Hello and welcome to part 6 of my pivot table series. In this short video I'm going to show you how you can refresh pivot table information. In other words, what happens when I change the source data from where the pivot table has been created. Here on screen I have the pivot table showing my customer Chris Travel. Keep an eye on the Chris Travel dates along here. I'm going to change his lunches in this week between the 3rd and the 9th, the number of lunches that he's received in the source data. So currently it's saying 560 in the pivot table. So let me go back to where the source date is. Here I'm going to click on sheet 1 just to show you where the source data is. And here along this row, in row 20, we're going to have Chris Travel. So this is his lunch for the 7th of the 1st, 2011. I'm going to change the quantity from 5 to 10. As I do this and press my enter key, watch how the figure in the amount column changes to 200. So now what happens when I go back to my pivot table? Let me click on the pivot table, and as you can see, the 560 still remains. So how then do we get this to update and refresh? Well, once you click anywhere inside the pivot table, on the toolbar, basically on the title bar at the very top of your screen, it says Pivot Table Tools. So we need to get up the Pivot Table Tools ribbon. Click once on Pivot Table Tools, and the Pivot Table toolbar and the ribbon now appears. Click on the refresh icon on the data group, but watch what happens in cell B12 as I do. Instantly it changes to 660 and the overall grand total also changed. So remember, if you change the source data, let me click back on sheet 1, we'll do it again, click into Chris Travel, I'm going to again change it to 20, press enter, go back to my sheet, click anywhere at all on the pivot table, click on the Pivot Table Tools and click on Refresh. And again, notice how the number automatically updated and the overall total automatically updated. Remember to save your changes to your worksheet before closing. Thank you for watching part 6 with how to refresh a pivot table with step by step by Miriam. If you liked it, you may leave a comment and I would appreciate it. And check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.